Have you ever wondered how you can make passive and supplemental income on the side? Eventually making enough money to quit your 9-to-5 job and truly start to live the life you want and deserve? Well, too effing bad because life is hard, and you have to buckle up, Buttercup, and learn how to take L's and thicken your skin. Eventually, after fail, and then failing again, you will begin to have the opportunity to understand and learn from all your mistakes and choices to develop what I call the dragon state. The dragon state is a place where after many trials and tribulations, a person who has failed many times but still has the will and drive to continue pushing forward. Finally accepting all those fails and lessons and truly learning from them, then and only then can you begin to ascend in a state of mind of a mythical dragon. Here is when the stars finally align and a sense of pure, relentless, and sheer willpower to succeed manifests and everything begins to click. One must remember all you need is one idea or business to be a success, and all the failures before were nothing but practice. The road to success is lonely, and many will let you down, but the truest friends and family will remain. So just remember, we can't take those who will weigh us down as we ascend. This is just the nature of growing. We will begin to see clearly and avoid negative people and vibes as there will be no place for that where we're going, and that is up and forward. Those who will talk negative and down on you and your business, and especially your fails, are always those who would never be brave enough to try anything as they fear failure, therefore will never succeed on your level. So if you're ready to learn how to leverage digital media and marketing for your benefit to make money and hustle on the side, be sure to smash that like and follow button so you don't miss any future content. Plus, coming soon, I will be offering an exclusive digital course and coaching program where you will learn how to launch your own account or business idea yourself. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to what's to come and helping as many people as possible.